In this video, we show how to replace a internal manifold module in a PowerEdge M7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information or support about the PowerEdge M7725, visit dell.com support. To begin, first remove the system cover and the front cover. To remove the internal manifold module, start by disconnecting the DLC tubes and keep them away. Then disconnect the leak detection cable from the PDB. Now remove the screws and slide the module out of the system. To install the internal manifold module, align and slide in the module. Tighten the screws. Reconnect the leak detection cable onto the PDB. Now reconnect the DLC tubes. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com support.